Good morning, kids. This is Grandma Freeman, and this morning I'm whipping up, cooking a batch of chicken noodle soup. And in this skillet, I have one tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and I'm sauteing one small onion and bits and pieces of celery that I had saved in the freezer, and that's about ready to go into 4 cups of homemade bone broth, chicken bone broth, and also in here I have this 1 can of Campbell cream of chicken soup, and over here I have, this is chicken bouillon, and I put approximately 1 tablespoon of that in there. And so I'm about ready to add this. Well, I'll scrape that out in just a moment. I'll turn it off here. So that's added, and my recipe calls for actually 4 stalks or ribs of celery and 4 carrots and 4 green onions, but I'm out of those things, so this is all I have. And so I'm substituting this can of sweet peas. That's one going now. I have 3 cans of peas left that I have to use up as quick as possible. Now, when you have to improvise, this is how you do it. And I'm going to stir that together right now, and I'm going to turn the heat on. And that's the front, so I'm going to get that to boiling, so that's on high. And so my recipe calls for 2 cups of cooked chicken, and this is 12.5 ounces. So to it, I'm going to add what I had leftover cooked, and this had been in the freezer. It's still kind of frozen, but I'm going to add that. So I'll go ahead, let's see, yeah. I'll go ahead and add that, and then the can of chicken. So a lot of this is coming from the pantry. So I'm going to scrape the rest of that out in just a minute. And so I'm bringing that to a boil. So that's what we have, and I kind of broke up the chicken already with a fork before I poured it in that can of chicken, and I chopped up the rest of the chicken. So that's what we have in there. I also have this is about 1/3 of a package of wide, I think these are egg noodles. Maybe not. I can't remember now. I put the package in another container to keep it fresh and to store it. So all these are the ingredients, and I'm going to, of course, scrape that out and scrape that out so I don't waste anything. Now, this is on high right now. I'm going to bring it to a boil, and then I'm going to turn it down to simmer and cover it and let it simmer for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes is up, I'll time it. I'll time it as soon as it comes to a boil. I'll time it for 30 minutes, and then after that I'll add the noodles, and then cook it for another 10 to 12 minutes until the noodles are tender. And there you have it. That's my lunch today, and lunches for the weekend. And I hope you enjoyed this. Oh, by the way, to add to the liquid, I added the liquid from the can of peas in there, and some of the liquid from the chicken here. I poured out some of it because, well, I don't know. I just thought it would be better. So I always pour off the water liquid from fish, so I might as well from the chicken as well. But I did save a little bit, so there's a little bit more chicken broth in there. And so that's my chicken noodle soup for today. And this is good if you have a cold or a virus. This is good, and you're sick a little bit. This is good to help clear that up. There's something in chicken that cooked chicken, of course, that it's like an enzyme. It helps the body to ward off colds and viruses. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye now.